Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Hafsa and you guys are watching Hafsa Unbox. Those who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And now without wasting time, let's start the video. Here I'm drawing a circle of 6 centimeter radius on a piece of cardboard. I'm cutting it with scissor, you can cut it with paper cutter also. It's up to you what is more convenient to you. I found it more easy to cut with scissor. After that, I again took a piece of cardboard and then I'm drawing a line of 6 centimeter. I got this idea from Pinterest and I'm recreating it with a little twist. I hope you would like it. Here I'm drawing a shape on that line. You can draw whatever shape you like a star or a circle. It totally depends on your choice. After cutting the first one, I took it as a sample to draw a rest of 28 pieces with the help of it. Instead of drawing again, you can simply use this way. And here we go, let's cut all these loops. Although I was enjoying the process, but yes, it is time consuming. But trust me, in the end, it will be worth making it. It will look really beautiful on your wall. These were total 28 pieces that I used almost in the last step. And here I painted the cardboard circle with black spray paint. Also I used the barbecue sticks in this wall decoration idea. Total I used 14 barbecue sticks, half 10 cardboard cuttings. I used hot glue gun to stick these on cardboard, but if it is not available to you, then you can use white glue or school glue also. In most of my projects I use white glue, but here I'm using hot glue gun as it dries out within seconds. But if you have time and patience, then I will suggest you to use white glue and let it dry. Now stick all the cardboard cuttings with barbecue sticks, two on each stick. But if you're using any other shape like a star or a circle with different size, then you can stick 3 or 4 on one stick. It's up to you. Be careful while using hot glue gun and do not touch the glue when it's hot. And here I'm going to paint it with black spray paint. You can use any other color or any other paint which is available to you, like acrylic or poster color. I also used silver glitter sheet to make it look sparkly, and here I'm cutting small circles to stick in the gaps of cardboard cuttings. I don't know why, but I really love glitter sheets. And here we go, my favorite part of the video. So this was the twist I was talking about. I just took white acrylic paint and mixed it with navy blue to have a lighter shade of blue, and it looked like this. So beautiful. I also took white and navy blue color separately, and here I'm painting tiny dots which were looking really cute. I would suggest you that make a pattern in your mind before painting, so it will be easy for you. It was really fun doing this. I was really enjoying, but it took me forever. But it was worth making it because everybody liked it at my home and it was looking really beautiful on the wall. Tell me in the comment section below that you like it or not, and thanks for watching, guys.